Application section. The application section in Smarty CRM is configured according to the principle of the contacts and project sections. To change the name and description of the stages, as well as appoint responsible employees, we click on the pencil icon in the circle. Here we set up the application card template, choosing the fields we need and removing what we will not use in the additional information. According to the logic of the program, applications can be of two types: external and internal. By internal applications, we mean requests to various departments of the company, such as finance, accounting, HR, and etc. Let's create them by clicking on the plus icon. Next, imagine that it is necessary to calculate the profitability of the second stage of construction for our project clear cost. We create an application from the project card, call it Calculation of the Profitability of the Second Stage of Construction of the Residential Complex Clear Cost, and place it in the right group. We can also create a linked chat and attach the required documents if it's necessary. Now we're done. If responsible employees have already been selected in the settings, they will receive a notification about the creation of a new application. Then we can only control the status of our application and answer possible questions about its implementation in the chat. In such a way, you can also make a request to the HR department to find the right employee, and to the accounting department to prepare documents for the counterparty. Also, applications are not necessarily linked to contacts and projects. For example, an employee needs to receive an individual's income certificate, so he or she can simply create an application, send it to the accounting department, and monitor its implementation. External applications include integration with the form on the website, or applications generated by the chatbot when customers click certain buttons. I'll tell you more about the chatbot application form in another video. Here I will talk in more detail about integration with the lead form of the site. Here I will talk in more detail about integration with the website. Let's create a group of external applications in order not to be confused with internal ones. Now, when the client fills out the feedback form on the website, the application is being created. For example, like this one on the Smarty CRM website. If we open it, we will see that all the fields are already filled. A sales manager can start processing the request, change the status of the application depending on the outcome of a conversation with a potential client, and create a contact from it for further work. For you to be able to make such an integration, you need to contact us using the contacts page on our website. If you have programmers who develop your website, then provide us with their contacts. If not, then our team is gladly at your disposal. Notice that it's a charged service.